Yeah, I'm Dr. Satish Gupta from Mount Abu Global Hospital and Research Center, which is in Rajasthan, India. I'm a heart specialist by profession. At present, the whole humanity all over the world is suffering from either the disease of mind or the body. Almost every person in this universe at present is having one or the other disease of the body, physical body, this physical body, and has so many other problems of the mind. And the modern medicine is able to address only superficially, tip of the iceberg. The diseases are not being treated in the right way. They are being only treated symptomatically. There is no cure for many diseases all over the world. So the modern medicine needs something else. The present healthcare, the modern healthcare people are thinking more about what is the culprit. And since 91, there's a lot of research which has gone into psychoneuroimmunology and psychoneuroendocrinology, and it has just shown that more than 95% of diseases are psychosomatic. That means the first disease comes to the mind and then comes to the body, like heart disease, which leads to heart attacks, angina, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, obesity, high cholesterol levels, the GERD problems, the acidity problems, the bone problems, the asthma lung problems, and similarly so many other problems of the body and mind. Depression is a big disease today. The insomnia is a big disease. And what is happening today is, because of the modern fast-paced society, because of demands, increasing demands, because of the anger, because of insecurity, because of the anxiety, because of the cynical behavior, because of the the hostile behavior, the people are getting more and more pressure of time and work. People are getting less time, more work, more demands. So this is leading to we have a hormonal orchestra. The hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, pancreas, adrenals, and gonads. These are our 7 glands, hormonal glands. When you are peaceful, loveful, and happy, then this hormonal orchestra is working in harmony. And when you have fear, insecurity, anger, anxiety, then this hormonal orchestra goes haywire, and our life becomes a chaos. So when you are peaceful, loveful, happy, when you are positive, then your hormonal orchestra is working fine, and your life is like a music; it's flowing, right? And when this orchestra is not working properly, then you're chaotic or noisy. You feel noise in the life. So what we have seen over last 20 years or so, we are doing research on this program, 3-dimensional healthcare program for healthy heart, happy mind, and healthy body. And in this program now we have more than 7,000 patients who had their angiographies done. They had proven heart disease, and they also had hypertension, diabetes, migraine, asthmas, acidity, bone problems. And we have seen, by addressing this 3-dimensional healthcare lifestyle, we can address almost every disease of mind and body. And we can open their heart blocks, the coronary blockages, their blood pressure gets all right, that means comes under control. And people who adhere to this program, within a very short time, they are able to reduce the amount of antihypertensive drugs and anti-diabetic drugs, and some of the patients are off antihypertensive drugs, anti-diabetic drugs. The cholesterol levels become normal, their weight becomes normal, their pains disappear, because it has been documented. When you have positive thoughts, we call it positive team. Positive mind means mind has got 4 aspects: thoughts, emotions, attitudes, and memories. When your team becomes positive, then our brains, cells of the brain and the body, they release endorphins. Endorphins are natural morphines which take away the pain of any type from the body. and gives a feeling of well-being, feeling of health, happiness, and pooling of energy. So by adopting this approach, three-dimensional healthcare, which essentially means, as human beings not one-dimensional, it is multi-dimensional. It addresses the spiritual aspect of a human being, that means peace, love and happiness of a human being, and the mental aspects, that means it creates a positive team, positive thoughts, positive emotions, positive attitudes and positive memories. And then thirdly is its physical energy, which comes from the healthy vegetarian diet, healthy vegetarian balanced diet at the proper time, in a proper way. Don't mix eating and talking together. Second, proper healthy exercise, that means have your morning walk, brisk morning walk with sunrise and evening stroll with the sunset, and then sleeping early to the bed, going to bed early and getting up early, and before going to bed auditing your day, okay, and then proper use of medication in the right way, right? Whatever medication, modern medication or surgery, if required, go for that. And say no to tobacco, which is a big malady these days, and other drugs like alcohol and other substance abuse. Say no to that. It has been observed that people who practice this program sincerely, they are able to they develop willpower. First thing is they become peaceful, loveful and healthy. The team becomes positive, and they have developed willpower to adhere to healthy diet, healthy exercise habits, proper sleeping habits, and say no to tobacco and other addictions.